Hello crypto friends, hope you're doing well guys. And let's have a look on Bitcoin, Ethereum and the other alts this week because guys, we are gonna see some action. Yeah, we are gonna see some action. It could even be potentially happening right now, but action is coming guys. Why? First of all, let me get this bear flag here away so that you can also see with your bare eyes. So can you see this movement a little bit tilted to the upside and then getting sideways? Yeah. So this is the beauty, guys, of an equilibrium. And we can also see, so right now, guys, inside the equilibrium, we have the higher lows coming in at 6,424, as you can see, to the upside. Yeah? To the upside, obviously, we could say it is the 6,741, but, and let me get the drawing spec in here, as you know, guys, we have this important zone. So I wouldn't call the break of this the definitive break, as we have 6,840, as you can see. Also very, very important zone previously, 6,440, as you can see here, of the inverse head and shoulders that we had broken back then. Also in the bear flag before, we had a little bit of like halting here, a little bit of a pause before we moved on. And this is critical, guys. Yeah. So right now, and also, I mean, to the bottom side, guys, this trend line gets completely respected. Yeah, let's have a look here on the 4-hourly. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost 6, but here 6 touches, even here 7. So to the bottom side, we get respected, guys. To the upside, we will see, and it exactly coincides here with 7,000 psychological. Yeah. So not only do we have to break 6,840, but also 7,000. So should we get a break like this, guys? Should we get a break like this? Stop losses like closing. Obviously, we will have negated this sort of bear flag. And then the bulls obviously have the chance to reach the previous weekly lower highs here that we have currently coming in at, as you can see, 7,415. 7,450. And this will be the range that we have to watch then, if we can manage to break 6,840 to the upside. So, of course, it will be great for the bulls, guys, if they can manage to do so, but we will definitely have to see some follow-through, for example, consolidation here, and then follow-through. Otherwise, like many people would think like, okay, we have not broken it. Yeah, stop loss will get triggered, and then everybody will be bullish. But if we cannot manage to break this zone, and then obviously we have another zone on the weekly, it will still, have bearish potential. So we will have to see bullish follow through. And guys, this situation is very, very similar also in Ethereum right now. Yeah, let me show this to you. I mean, in Ethereum, guys, it's even like getting smaller and smaller. It's even much tighter right now. So we had this bear flag broken into another one, like smoother one here moving, and have a look here. Just like with Grandpa Bitcoin, guys, we get into this nice, like we become sideways here, we tilt to the right side and then have a look. Smaller and smaller, yeah? So to the upside, just with the bare eyes, we can see, guys, it is the 240 psychological. This is the lower high that is coming in here. And to the bottom side, we have 214, yes, but don't forget we have also those wicks at 212 here, yeah, and 209 coming in. So I would, if you want to play this, I would be conservative here. Yeah, I mean, how many percent is that? Yeah, have a look here. Like if you would wait for that, that's maybe 2% maximum, but with a nice downward potential if we like break this bearish. Obviously, if we break it bullish, we also will see some nice upward potential, potentially even to the previous bear flag, yeah, that we have here. So as you can see, guys, so I mean 100% we will see a break coming, yeah, and this is a complete, like have a look here also. Before we broke here, can you see this? Like volume getting down, and then boom, you get the red candle. Have a look here. Yeah, we are going like a little bit, when we were like moving in this bear flag, we had a little bit more, as you can see, a little bit more volume, definitely, and then coming to the downside, and then have a look here. Volume dies off. Yeah, this is the perfect indication that we will see a nice break coming. I mean, there is only that much room. Yeah, there is only that much room. It's not possible, yeah, to make this. I mean, we have still 7 days in the week right now, and we will see some action here, guys. Yeah. Also, I had been showing to you, which is also very, very nice in my opinion. I had been showing to you EOS. First of all, guys, let me show this on a broader scale to you, because I really love those, you know, those patterns here also happening with the other alts. Have a look at this beautiful, you know, descending, you know, pattern here, where we have, where we basically can put in this trend line. It's like it's a logarithmic trend line, perfectly like touching upon. I'm not sure if you can see this. I mean, it's a little bit too much drawings in here, but we are basically perfectly touching up until from the whole way down, guys, from $24. One time, second time, a third time we are touching here, fourth, fifth time, yeah? And now, inside this fifth time touching here, guys, we are getting smaller and smaller. I mean, have a look here. Let me get this compressed a little bit here, yeah? So, let's get the drawings away. So, as you can see, guys, in this compression, we had a pretty similar compression here. We had a pretty similar compression from June to August, and right now also getting this compression right now here, yeah, where we have, as you can see, 6.82 here to the upside once we had this, and then since then, basically, guys, we are making higher lows, as you can see, 4.6, 4.65, and then we have the 5 here, and let's go into the 4 hourly to make it even clearer, guys. So we can see nicely that to the upside we have the $6 psychological, yeah. So $6 psychological coming in here. I mean, even if we break this, I mean 5.92, 92.94. Obviously, it's the 6.4. I would even like leave a little bit of more room here, yeah, in order to not get faked out to the upside. Obviously, to the downside, also we have quite a few levels, as you can see, 5.40, 5.44, 5.32, yeah, with this wick. And I would personally definitely also wait for that, yeah. Definitely like 5.25 even here, so 5.32 to the downside, and that would definitely signal a nice and clear break of this equilibrium. So also here, guys, we will see a break of this tightening pattern right now. I mean, as you can see with your bare eyes, there is only that much room. So of course we could, for example, break here, reach the bottom, reach the bottom here at 4, as you can see, 4.5, yeah, and still like not break underneath it. I mean, it's still much percent up to the bottom side, as you can see. Obviously, on the upside, after passing through 6, yeah, we have also the previous highs coming at 6.82, yeah, also quite some upside potential, yeah. So I will be looking personally, guys, at EOS, and also, as you know, I'm doing analysis on Ripple separately, yeah. So Ripple, guys, just has almost like reached the previous lows that we had with the VIX at 43.5. But obviously, feel free to watch my Ripple analysis specifically on that. So the bulls obviously now are at this critical zone, which they have to maintain. The bulls have to maintain the zone, as this was also previously huge support before we broke down. So that's Ripple, guys, and yeah, that's it. So very important. What happens from here? As you know, this is the battle of the battles. No matter in what direction we break from here, it will tilt the chances more to the bulls or to the bears. So I hope you had some value, guys, from this analysis. If you had so, please give it a thumbs up so that the mechanism on the platform shows it also to other people. And obviously, feel free to comment with any ideas you might have. And very important, if you're not following me, please make sure to follow me if you're not seeing stuff like this, because I'm always going to be sharing those patterns with you. And otherwise, we will see each other on the next crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, EOS analysis. I say adios, amigos, wherever you are on this planet, and see you.